guys, so in today's video I'm going to be using this little hair tool. It's called the Bedhead Wave Artist. It's been a while since I've used this, so I just thought I would whip it out, do my hair, and show you how the hairstyle looks using this hair tool. And excuse my voice, I'm sick, I'm doing a bunch of filming today. But yeah, so let's get started. I'm just going to start by putting my hair half up, half down, just like I usually do whenever I style my hair. Okay, so you just start out by taking small, maybe 1-inch sections, kind of combing through it. And then you just take this and start at the top and then clamp it down. And you don't need to leave it on for very long at all. Maybe just a few seconds. And then bring it down and clamp again. And that is it. And it gives you like a real pretty wave.
So I'm just going to speed this up for you guys and show you what it looks like when it's all finished. That is it for this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Maybe you'll try something new with your hair today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you all in the next one. Bye, friends.